Hey, let me ask you something. When you walk into your home after a long day, does it feel like a sanctuary or just another source of stress? If you're a busy professional juggling 100 things at once, I know the last thing you want is to come home to clutter. But what if I told you that conquering clutter and actually enjoying the process can be as simple as a 3-step breakthrough? Stay with me because you deserve a home that feels as high-end as the life you're building. Let's dive in. First, imagine this. You open your front door, and instantly your space greets you with calm, clarity, and luxury. Sound impossible? Not at all. Here's my 3-step flow to make it happen. Step 1. Curate. Don't just clean. I want you to walk through each room and ask yourself, does this item elevate my life? If it's not beautiful or useful, it goes. No guilt. Think of yourself as the curator of your own personal gallery. Luxury isn't about more stuff. It's about choosing the best of the best, then letting the rest go. Step 2, create zones of purpose. Every item should have a home, and every space should have a function. Does your entryway welcome you, or is it a dumping ground? Define spaces, even if it's just a tray for your keys or a sleek basket for your mail. Set intentional boundaries, and you'll notice how quickly clutter disappears. Step 3, commit to 5 minutes a day. That's it. Set a timer, put on your favorite playlist, and tackle one area. Maybe it's your desk, maybe it's your closet. Small, consistent actions create big results. Ask yourself right now, what could 5 minutes do for your peace of mind? So, here's my question for you. If you had the chance to achieve organizing flow later or sooner, which would you choose? Why not make it sooner? I'd love to help you find your flow. Check out the link in the description below to get started. I've got a comprehensive 30-day checklist waiting for you. You deserve to live in a space that matches the life you desire. If anything in this video resonated with you, drop a comment below. Your feedback shapes what I create next to help you on your journey. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, I got you.